Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how to make your account and page private on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook. Click on the hamburger option at the top. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, you'll see Profile Locking option. Click on it. Tap on Lock Your Profile. In this way, you can lock your Facebook profile. Let us see how you can lock your profile through another way. Click on the three dot option. Go to Lock Profile option. Click on Lock Your Profile. In this way, you can lock your profile. You can repeat the same method for unlocking your profile on Facebook. Now let us see how you can lock a Facebook page. You cannot lock a Facebook page, but you can unpublish it. For that, you need to head to Facebook. Go to your Facebook page. Click on the settings option at the top. Click on General. Scroll down to Page Visibility. Under this, you will see the Unpublish option. Click on it to unpublish your page. In this way, you can unpublish your page as longer as you want. To republish your page, all you have to do is go to your page and click on the three dot option here and click on Publish Page. In this way, you can republish your page. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.